Welcome to a life-changing journey towards a pain-free existence. Are you tired of battling that relentless back pain that seems to haunt you every day? About to share with you the 3 essential steps that will revolutionize the way you perceive and manage your back pain. Step 1. Back pain relief. 1. Stretching and mobility. Explore soothing stretches and exercises designed to alleviate back pain and improve flexibility. This step focuses on gentle stretching exercises and mobility-enhancing routines. These exercises help to increase the flexibility of your lower back muscles, which can often become tight and tense due to prolonged periods of sitting or inactivity. By incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, you can improve the range of motion in your lower back, reduce muscle stiffness, and relieve tension. 2. Expert advice. Seeking advice from medical professionals or experts in the field is crucial. They can provide personalized guidance on managing back pain based on your specific condition. These experts may recommend tailored exercises, lifestyle adjustments, or therapies that are most effective for you. 3. Immediate relief. Immediate relief techniques offer quick solutions for those moments when back pain strikes unexpectedly. These may include methods like applying heat or cold packs, practicing deep breathing exercises to relax tense muscles, or using over-the-counter pain relievers as directed. Step 2. Low back pain treatment. 1. Treatment options. These options may include physical therapy, chiropractic care, acupuncture, or even surgical interventions in severe cases. Understanding the range of treatments empowers you to choose the one that aligns best with your pain level, lifestyle, and overall health. It ensures that you receive appropriate care tailored to your unique needs. 2. Informed decision-making. Gain the knowledge needed to make informed decisions about your back pain treatment. Knowledge is power when it comes to healthcare decisions. By learning about the different treatment options, their risks, benefits, and potential outcomes, you can make informed choices. 3. Take control. Learn how to take charge of your well-being and health by choosing the right treatment plan for your specific needs. Communicate openly with your healthcare provider. Adhere to recommended exercises or medications, and make necessary lifestyle adjustments. By actively engaging in your treatment, you increase your chances of successful pain management and a quicker return to a pain-free, active life. Step 3. How to stand for long periods. 1. Proper posture. Maintaining correct posture is vital for reducing lower back strain while standing. Proper posture involves aligning your spine, shoulders, and hips correctly. By practicing good posture techniques, you distribute your body weight evenly, reducing pressure on the lower back. This leads to decreased discomfort, improved spine health, and less risk of developing chronic back pain. 2. Reducing discomfort. Techniques such as shifting your weight from foot to foot, using anti-fatigue mats, wearing supportive footwear, and taking short breaks to stretch can alleviate discomfort. 3. Confidence and comfort. Acquire the skills and techniques to stand confidently for longer durations, whether at work or in your daily life. Learning how to stand with confidence and comfort not only reduces the risk of back pain, but also boosts your overall well-being. In conclusion, the journey to conquering back pain and achieving lasting comfort has been nothing short of transformative. We've explored the 3 essential steps that can make a world of difference in your life: back pain relief, low back pain treatment, and how to stand for long periods. Your well-being is worth every effort, and a future without back pain is well within your reach. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on lower back pain. Make sure to click the link in the description for a proven way to get rid of all kinds of lower back pain for good. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.